Hi everyone, it's Fiona from YBR St Mary's and it's My Mortgage Monday. Today I'm going to discuss exit strategies and what they are and when you need them. Now, an exit strategy is a plan that you have when you retire and you have a mortgage. So say for example you're age 45 and then you 45 to 55 and you're applying for a loan. Now, loan term average is 30 years, correct? So the bank will know, 50, 30 years, you're going to be 80 years off and paying off a mortgage? I don't think so. So what they want to know is what your plan is. What do you want to do when you retire? Are you going to be comfortable? You're earning 40, 50, 60, even 100 grand now, and when you finish working, you're still going to have the mortgage and you're not going to have that income. So they really need to make sure that you're financially comfortable when you retire, and they want to find out what your plan is. What's your strategy, your exit strategy? So a couple of my clients in the past, one client has said that what they would do is they'd actually shorten the loan term. Instead of having it over 30 years, they'd like it over 20 years and pay it down sooner so that when they retire, there's no more debt. That's one. Another client of mine, he sold his investment property and used the asset from the investment property to pay down his current mortgage on his home, so he was debt-free. And I think there was another one that what they did was they had a big house now and they know that their kids are going to move out and they want a smaller home, one that they don't have to, there's not so much upkeep with. So what they did is they downsized. So if you're going to buy $1 million home and you buy a $500 home, then you're paying down your debt as well. So these are different things that my clients have done in the past. Now, you need to, if you are 45 and over and you're about to go for a home loan, you need to think about what your personal exit strategy will be. When you retire, what's your plan? What do you want to do? Because you want to end up, ultimately you don't want to end up with a mortgage at the end of when you retire. You want to end up debt-free. That's the plan, all right? So now you need to work around it to make it happen. That's it from me this week. If you need any further information on exit strategies, feel free to leave a message down below and have a great week.